guys, welcome back to my channel Swagg with Rupali, and if you're new to my channel guys, I'm Rupali and today I'm back with review and unboxing of India's #1 beauty subscription box, that is the Glamego box. Before we move on with today's video, if you're here on my channel for the first time, please don't forget to press the subscription tab and also do press the notification bell just beside it so that you stay notified.
So this is the Glamego box. The box is quite sturdy and made up of very good material, and you can use it later for keeping your jewelries or storing your makeup products.
The price of the subscription box is Rs 299 per box if you subscribe for 12 months, and for a 6-month subscription it is Rs 319 per box, and if you subscribe for 3 months each box will cost you Rs 349. You can also buy a single box and it will cost you Rs 399.
Moving on to the box, when you open it, you get a card like this which has the details of all the products that came in this box with their prices. And then these are the products which came in my April 2018 Glamego box. Let me show them to you in details.
So the first product that we have today is a lip stain and moisturizer from the brand My Island Kiss. This is a product and the flavor which I got is Bunny Pink. So this is the product. As you can see, it's very blendable. I hope you can see it. The smell it has is awesome. It smells like candy and it retails for Rs 499. In the card it's written, the product selected for eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018 leaves your lips moisturized with a lovely tint. The next product is an anti-tan face pack from the brand Tejori. As it's summer, I think it's a perfect product because we all need to get rid of that bad tan. The product comes in a plastic container like this and has 50 grams of the product, and it retails for Rs 525. The next product is a makeup product and it is a compact powder from the brand NELF USA, and this is the outer packaging. And it reads Aqualight Fairness Compact Powder with UV and SPF 18. Let me open it. The product looks like this. And I have selected my shade 02. You can select your own shade for this particular product. The price of this one is Rs 350. Moving on to the next product. I have got a facial kit, and this is the Vedic Line Gold Facial Kit. The outer packaging looks like this and it reads Vedic Line Gold Facial gives luster and glow to skin. Inside this you get pouches like this and you get everything from cleanser, scrub, massage cream, face pack and also a serum. The next and the last product is a summer treat, and this is a surprise product from Glamego. This is the Sea Clay Clarifying Face Mask from the brand Natural Bath and Body. This is a travel size pack and it retails for Rs 150. You can use this 2 to 3 times per week, and this is an ideal product for combination to oily skin. So if you add the prices of all the products given in the box, it will come to Rs 1875. And you get all these products for a very nominal amount. So these were the products which I got in my April 2018 Glamego box, and that's it for today guys. I hope you liked this video and found it useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you stay notified. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.